Hey beauties, all right, so she's asking, do we put this on the inside or the outside? This is the V-Love Yoni Wash. It is made with aloe vera, apple cider vinegar, rose oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and rose water. This is amazing, but no soap at all goes inside. Now I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of tired of y'all talking about that you're not supposed to wash your hoo-ha with soap and water is gonna be enough. Unfortunately, we have hair, we have oil, we have dirt, we have bacteria, we have our urine, we have all these kind of things that's down there. So if you're not using some type of soap, if you want to use a good soap, here's an organic soap you can use, but it only goes on the outside, okay? So this is what we would consider like our lips, right? It goes only on the outside. If it spreads here, that's okay, but we do not go inside. It's only on the outside. I hope that answers your question.